In this video, we're going to walk through how to put receptacles into a model and then circuit them really quickly. And, this would be basically how you'd go through any particular project. So first we got our outlet, quantity per wall. For the most part, we're going to do just one per wall. That's pretty standard here. So we'll select all these, one per wall. In the men's, we'll do a above counter ground fault, 6 inches from the door. Same thing here in the, this will just be a ground fault in the janitors. Same thing here, 6 inches from the door. IT server room, that's all good. Nothing in the shaft or stairs. Tenant 3, that's not in the scope. Wait a minute, above counter ground fault. There we go. Okay, so we can go ahead and run our receptacles. There's like a couple options shown in this floor plan for this building. So go through. All right, got all our outlets populated. And then really, we're just gonna go with this floor plan over here. So everything that got populated on this side, well, it's all great, right? Offices, everything's populated all nicely. We just don't need it in this space because this is gonna be our um, deal here. And then this is pretty much all outside of our contract for this project. Not dealing with any of that stuff. This is out of scope. Oops. Make sure our model is pinned so we don't grab stuff. And click that guy. This is out of scope. This is out of scope. All right, here. This is a break room. I'm pretty sure. Corridor. One is good. Here's our bathrooms. So we'll we don't need anything here. These alone. So there's those. Looks good. All right. So this vestibule's outside of our scope work too. That's good. This is okay. So again, I mean, we're just really once everything gets populated and kind of move, make sure that we're all good. And then with auto circuit, you can go ahead and just circuit receptacles. Oh, helps if I put a panel into the model. So I need to insert our systems, electrical equipment. Got a panel board here. I know this is where our panel boards are going to 800. We'll just put this 42 circuits, 200 amp panel. All right, so I know where this is going. Now we can use auto circuit receptacles. We only have the one or two different types in here, so we can insert those together. And then receptacles with the room name. That looks good to me. So go ahead and circuit them. 17 circuits created, perfect. And then we go back, create panel schedules. We got our one panel schedule created, right to left, top, bottom. This is really fun because we only have the one. Create our one sheet. Bam. So here we go. There's all of our stuff. I mean, that's pretty pretty simple and easy, right? Took, the length of this video, 5 minutes to put it all together. Now you edit your title block and all that good stuff to do it. But this is how, and then you'd come back through, and the way that this would work is you go annotate, tag all, electrical fixtures, circuit tag, and then you apply your circuit tags. And then here's how you would edit your circuit tags um, if you want to include the panel. So right now, so you go to edit family, edit label, and then right now it's just the circuit number. So if you wanted to add the panel in there, you could do that. We'll do the panel first, suffix like that. Just say panel, um, sample value 1, and this could be a dash or whatever, right? However you want that to look. So we can load into project and close. I'm not going to change the tag, overwrite existing. So, right, because that name is super long, or there's one that doesn't exist, it takes the other. So we got to come in here and say panel name. We'll just say RP1. So now it'll update all of those, right? And then now it's just going through and cleaning up the location of all these tags. Is really what you do from your tag all piece, and how you want those to look in your model, right? But that's how simple it becomes. Now everything's annotated, not in the right place, but it's annotated. You have these, and then you can clean up some of these circuits. Like, this is dedicated, probably can combine a few of these together. Like this guy. It stays on 2. This is 217. Boom, boom, boom. Probably edit this guy to be on the other side of the walls. Perfect for cleaning. Awesome. And then these are all together. These rooms are all circuited together as well. Boom. I mean, again, you just go through, clean it up, move these guys. And then another little trick here is you could do leaders. So like, let's say that all of these are leaders, and then you just wanted to show, hey, one circuit tag basically for the room with all the leaders. You can overlap everything perfectly here, so that it's basically, it looks like one, but then it's got a leader going to each receptacle. Kind of cool. If you want to show things like that off your, it's one way to do it, versus just having everything next to it, right? Here's another way to show all the circuit tags versus that. But yeah, that's, you tag all, and quick, easy way to do that. And then it's just, editing all the locations of the fixture tags. So kind of cool. Anyway, that's how you would set up drawings. But now, within whatever 15 minutes, got a basically full set of power drawings for all the general purpose receptacles. Is done quick and easy. But that's how you would go through and basically tag all of everything and then clean up the drawings afterwards. So it can get a little confusing, but when you know that everything's circuited together in a room. And actually, here's another way that you can show these is there's 11, but for circuit 10, right, you'd have this, and then all the circuit 10s you delete. And this is another way that you'd be able to show kind of this connection, right? And home run is, here's that, and then the 3 ticks would be hot, neutral, and ground. So you have that, and then just one tag. So another way to show the circuiting for it, you could do it this way, with this way, this way. There's a lot of ways to basically annotate and show the circuiting of devices. So a couple ways you can do it. Hopefully this helps you to understand like annotations, tagging, and all that kind of good stuff. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned.